Buying and selling of financial instruments in the forex market is the least skill you want to learn as a forex trader. One of the skills to master in forex trading is knowing when not to buy and sell. This particular skill will accelerate your being profitable in the financial industry. So in this video, I'll be showing you the 3 simple trading psychology that has helped me become profitable in the financial industry. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gordon Trade. I'm a professional forex trader, and my mission here is to help you become a successful forex trader in no time. If you find value in this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I show up here with interesting content like this. So without further ado, let's dive directly into the video. One of the trading psychology you want to master as a forex trader is understanding the market condition. Market environment is not always the same thing. The beginning of the month and the ending of the month is not always the same thing. So at any point in time as a forex trader, what you want to do, you want to understand the market condition. Not only applying technical analysis will help you in this aspect, you also want to add fundamentals so I should be able to understand what is going in the global economy, because there are different factors that move price in the financial market. So the macro and micro economy of the financial instrument you're trading, especially in that country, will help you determine how the market moves. So there are times that there will be low volatility in the market or high volatility in the market. So the knowledge of this, together with the technical analysis, will guide you right before you place any trade. There are times that you might enter a trade and less than 1 hour or 2 hours, your TP is being smashed. And there are some times that you enter the market and the market will be sluggish. Price will just tend to be moving in a slow direction. Why? Because a lot of things is happening behind the scene. So you want to know what is actually happening by combining your technical analysis and your fundamental analysis together. And this factor will help you become profitable as a forex trader. So in this regard, when you discover that the market is a bit slow, instead of targeting 1:2 or 1:3, whenever you even see 1:1, go for it. Make sure you're not leaving money on the table. This is how you pay yourself first as a forex trader. One of the ways you become consistently profitable is not always waiting for the market to hit your TP. Sometimes even when the market has given you 1:1 or 1:1.5, please go out of the market, take that profit. Why? Because the volume of the market is so low. Not all the time the market will give you high volatility. Even on go, there are times that I hold a particular trade just to target 1:2. Sometimes it takes me 2 days. That alone is the point out for me to know that there is no volatility or no volume in the market. So whenever I see 1:1, 1:2, I take it and I go out from the market. There are times that you will be in a trade because you want the market to hit your TP, and you'll be watching it even when you are in a profit and the market will reverse and take you out. Why? Because you are just waiting for that market to hit your TP. Don't always wait for your TP to be smashed. Number one way to become more profitable is to always pay yourself first. Whenever you see 1:1, 1:2, 1:1.5, take that profit and move away. Why? Because that same trade may likely reverse and take you out, because the market is not predictable. Anything can happen in the market. So whatever you see, take it like that. Every day is not the same. Tomorrow may come and you will see that in no time your TP is being smashed. There are times that you can even see good 3 setup in a day, and there are times that you hardly see 1 setup in a day. So whichever way the market presents itself, learn to understand the market. Make sure you are combining your technical analysis and your fundamentals together. In this regard, you'll be able to be in tune or on the known. You'll be able to be updated. You'll be able to know why prices behaving the way they are behaving. Alright? Another skill you want to learn as a forex trader is to understand the principle of HPS, meaning high probability setup. When you've discovered the market is not favorable or the market is not moving the way you want, you only want to take trades that you have seen that are high probability setup. And how do you know when a trade is high probability setup? As a forex trader, you know the meaning of confluences, alright? So whenever you've seen a market condition that has met your criteria, that is how you know that the market is what? A high probability setup. Let's say you trade break and retest, alright? And the market has broken a particular level of resistance. You need to wait for a retest before you take that trade. And even upon that retest, you also need a confirmation. And what could be that confirmation? It could be a bullish engulfing or a morning star, right? Whenever I see such type of candlestick or chart patterns, that alone is a high probability setup. So these are the kind of trade you want to wait for to take. And that regard, that market will go in your favor. That is the reason you need to wait for HPS, a high probability setup. This is the only way you can become a consistent profitable trader. You don't want to second guess. You don't want to just take trade based on probability. You need to wait. Let me also let you know that while you are waiting, in this regard, in a week you may even not see more than a trade or 2 setup to take. That is okay. All right, not trading every day is also a skill you want to learn. So as a forex trader, understand the market at which you are trading in. Not all market conditions are favorable. Even in a non-conditional favorable market, you can still see your setup only if you know what you are watching out for. If you trade double bottom, double top, you need to wait for that double bottom to form. Don't enter the trade when the second leg of the double bottom has not formed, or you are trading inverse head and shoulder. You need to wait and see your edge. If your edge has not presented itself in the market, you have no reason taking that trade. This is the only way you become a consistent, profitable trader in the financial market. The last but not the least three principles that has helped me become profitable as a forex trader is keeping things simple. If you are a pure price action trader, you need to learn how to keep your chart simple. Make sure your chart is clean, no indicator flying up around. You are not joining different type of strategy altogether. Stick with price action. Any strategy that has given you money in the financial market is it likely profitable to give you money in the financial market. Don't jump from price action to ICT, from ICT to SMC. There is no strategy that is a holy grail strategy. Even those who are trading ICT still lose money. Even those who are trading price action still lose money. Those who are SMC traders still lose money. There is no one in the market, no profitable trader that has never lost money in the market. The thing that makes us profitable is that our winning trade is always bigger or more than our losing trade. Why? Because we always have that time to wait. A profitable trader is that trader who is patient enough to wait for a high probability setup before he or she will enter that trade. So as a forex trader, your chart should not be looking messy. Make sure you are keeping things clean. If the chart is not communicating something to you, you have no business taking that trade. There are a lot of times that I myself may not understand what the market is saying. I don't need to force out trade setup from the market because the market is busy. Let the market merry-go-round. It will surely come to your court. So wait. If your chart is messy, you may not be able to see things clear. Don't have trend line flying left and right, up and down. You may not understand the particular trend line that has been violated or the one that is so active for you to wait, so that when price gets on it, you take your trade. So this particular three principle has helped me so much that I don't lose money in the market like I used to do when I was starting out. My winning trade are now more than my losing trade. You do understand? So understanding when not to trade, taking high probability setup, and keeping things clean has helped me become highly profitable in the financial market. In the spirit of keeping things clean, make sure you stick to one strategy. Don't jump from one strategy to another. The fact that you lose money today with that strategy does not mean that that strategy cannot give you money tomorrow. Just look at what you have done wrong, all right, and come back, learn from your mistake. Know what you have done wrong and learn from your mistake. I hope you find value in this video. I'll see you in my next video, so stay tuned. Make sure you're connected and stay subscribed. Thank you.